Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming and historic town of Mundare, Alberta, a delightful community that beautifully blends its rich heritage with a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Located in the heart of Alberta's prairie region, Mundare offers a peaceful and picturesque setting that captures the essence of rural living. Mundare was established in the late 19th century, primarily as a railway town. The arrival of the railway brought growth and development to the area, making it an important hub for transportation and trade. The town's name is derived from the nearby Mundare Creek, which has been a vital part of the local landscape for generations. Mundare is situated in an area known for its fertile farmland and stunning natural beauty. The surrounding landscape is typical of the Alberta prairies, with vast fields and open skies that create a serene and inviting environment. The Mundare area is also home to beautiful parks and green spaces, providing plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities and relaxation. The community in Mundare is known for its strong cultural heritage and friendly spirit. The town has a significant Ukrainian population, and this influence is evident in the local culture, festivals, and cuisine. The world's largest Tin Man, a giant statue of a Ukrainian Cossack, is a famous landmark in Mundare, symbolizing the town's unique heritage. Whether you're exploring the local shops, enjoying